the food travels down the esophagus. So it's come from the mouth, chewed up into little pieces. It comes down the food tube, which is called the esophagus. It goes into the stomach. Just draw a little bag here. And then it heads off into the intestine. So here's your food coming down in little pieces that we've chewed up mechanically, and it ends up in the stomach. Just imagine that there's a sphincter muscle here, a muscle that holds back the contents of the stomach until it's ready to go. And let's draw a lot of liquid and food in the stomach. Our food is coming down, dropping into here, and then the next phase of the digestion starts. So what's happening now? In the stomach you have a fluid called hydrochloric acid. You remember it as HCl, hydrogen and chlorine, hydrochloric acid. Now your stomach lining, just imagine it like this. It's a weird stomach shape, but we'll go with that. This secretes hydrochloric acid, so we'll write here stomach secretes hydrochloric acid. What does that do? What effect does the hydrochloric acid have? It kills off pathogens. Look at that as germs for now. That's all you need to know. Any little bits of bacteria or microorganisms that our body doesn't like, it will try to kill them off. And one other thing you have to know, hydrochloric acid has a low pH value. It's about 2. Just stick with 2 for now. Your stomach at the same time also this stomach lining also secretes enzymes, and this enzyme is called pepsin. Let's write enzyme. Now what does pepsin do? It converts protein into peptides. And pepsin must have an optimum pH value of 2. Otherwise it becomes denatured. So our food has come down in small pieces because we've chewed it up properly. It comes into the stomach. The stomach secretes, gives out something called hydrochloric acid. And you can remember it as HCl, capital C, lowercase l, hydrochloric acid. that kills off pathogens or germs that are coming down. Otherwise, our intestine would be full of bacteria and germs that we didn't want. You also have to know that hydrochloric acid has a low pH value of about 2. The other thing that happens is the stomach wall, in the green, secretes an enzyme called pepsin. And what does pepsin do? It turns protein into peptides. Protein into peptides. And think of protein as meat for now. So it turns protein into peptides. And pepsin must have an optimum pH value that it works at about 2 to match with the hydrochloric acid. Now, the digestion is taking place here, and when it's ready, this sphincter muscle relaxes and the contents of the food go down into the first part of the intestine,